Good morning, you guys. Following last week's grocery haul where I shared the 20 staples that I buy every week that we have been eating as a family of 5, I lost over 20 pounds eating this way. I have managed to keep the weight off even after having 3 kids and amidst a move as we speak. We are moving an hour north. We're staying here in Florida, but we are kind of in over our heads. But what I really want to touch on more importantly is just how I stay consistent when the world around me is less than consistent, in fact, quite chaotic. I'm about to blend a green smoothie. Here she is in all her glory. It's so good. The main reason it tastes amazing is that mango, pineapple, banana. Plus, I do have to give credit to the Sun Warrior Vanilla Warrior blend. Hands down my favorite plant-based protein powder. Organic, raw, super clean ingredients, and it will definitely bump up the flavor. It's linked below in the description along with a 20% off discount code. It's our family's favorite. Dusty's in the background chopping dinner and putting it in our Instant Pot right now.
A long-time favorite meal. This is our red lentil curry. It's so good, and it's gonna last us like 2, maybe 3 nights for dinner, and we're gonna need that because we're gonna be on the go. So I'm like, let's make dinner right now, early this morning, so we don't have to do it later.
I talk all the time about my 3 E's. If you can make your meals easy, enjoyable, and effective, it's a win-win-win. And that's what's helped me to stay at a healthy weight and feel so good in my mind and in my body. Check the free 7-day whole food reset video guide that I created. Any and every question you have is answered in that guide to help kickstart your journey. And the EatMoveRest Mastermind is here. So if you're looking for a high touch point coaching experience with Dusty and I, you're getting that accountability from us and a community of like-minded wellness warriors. Lots of inspiring and motivating, beautiful humans in our mastermind. So I'm gonna eat my smoothie, go shoot a workout for our EatMoveRest Club app, and I will touch base with you guys after that to show you how I'm staying fueled amidst this crazy, chaotic, moving life. Life doesn't stop lifing amidst moving, and so the stress level is high around here. All right, you guys, so I just finished a very intense, hot and sweaty leg day for the new Elevate program coming early September in the EatMoveRest app, so stay tuned. And I'm gonna make the kids their favorite unbaked oat bake. So it's our baked berry oats recipe. It's in our cookbook and in our app. We just don't bake it. It's like overnight oats and it's so good. Not even done making the unbaked oat bake and the kids are devouring it. And because we are moving out, we don't have fresh berries, but we always keep frozen berries stocked. Let's see, we've got bananas, we've got oats, we've got wild blueberries, we've got raspberries, hemp seeds, soy milk, what else? Teeny bit of maple syrup, vanilla protein, and that is it. I'm gonna have some too. Oh, Zoe wants Razzies.
You like raspberries? Me too.
So here on my phone, I have my list of my 20 staple grocery items, and I want you guys to pay close attention to where they show up throughout the day. So in between breakfast and lunch is when I usually like to have my matcha. Usually done with shooting workouts, doing homeschool, and then I finally have time to sit down, answer emails, create content. And this gives me the calm, focused energy that I need. Let's look at our list of 20 items and see what we have crossed off the list just at breakfast alone. We've got bananas in the smoothie and in the oats. We've got berries, leafy greens. We did kale in the smoothie, rolled oats, walnuts, which we ended up putting in the oats, chia and flax, and plant milk. So that's 7 right there. Dusty chopped dinner already, and in the dinner we checked off cauliflower, sweet potatoes, garlic and onion, brown rice, lentils, chickpeas, and canned tomatoes. So that's another 7. 14 items already checked for the day between breakfast and dinner. It'll be super easy for me to work in these other 6 items. So I know it seems a little oat heavy today, but I made some of my favorite vanilla bean muffins last night. I knew we were gonna be busy getting the house ready to leave. Such a great little snack to keep on hand to keep me from eating something processed and packaged. I make mini ones for the kids, They like them bite-sized. These are sweetened with dates. I eat dates like they're going out of style. I sweeten my baked goods with them. It's the ultimate best natural sweetener on the planet because it's tied to fiber and vitamins and minerals, and they taste so good. Next, I'm gonna chop my lunch salad. All right, so I just finished chopping my salad. It's rich in protein, lots of raw. We checked another box with the tempeh. I sauteed it in coconut aminos. And then we checked another box with avocado mashed up and another one, black beans. Other than that, we've got, greens, bell peppers, green onions, sauerkraut. Fermented foods are so good for you. I think I said red cabbage and radishes, and then I've got a mix of curly kale, which is a cruciferous veggie, and romaine, which is another green. So checking and double checking some boxes. The biggest reason I love these rainbow salads is they are high volume, low calorie, fill the tummy. The stomach is a muscle. It likes to expand. It likes to feel full rather than just a teeny amount of a higher calorie food in the bottom. You're still gonna be hungrier. You're gonna eat more calories, and that's when weight management becomes difficult. So I love these salads, and again, topping it with the tempeh and the black beans are concentrated sources of protein that I added on top, and healthy fats in the tempeh as well. We just had a super long walk. The mosquitoes were awful. We are munching on some carrots and hummus. We get this hummus from Sprouts. Seed oil free, it's super yummy. Carbonated water with a splash of orange juice, and then I also do a splash of my Oliveta Beauty Molecule. So this is good for internal hyaluronic acid. It's gonna help you with youthful, dewy, plump skin. So I like to put just a splash of it. You want me to make some sourdough toast? This is the actual best organic sourdough ciabatta from Sprouts. I don't even love bread that much, but I love this bread. So we got out some more spread. I had leftover guac. I got out some cashew cheese, just cashews, nooch, salt, and pepper. And then we've got our hummus, and we've been dipping carrots and spreading random things on the bread. It's so good. And you're dipping your bread in your fizzy water, Zoe. Here is dinner, brown rice with a good red lentil veggie stew. It's got tons of good stuff in it. We got chickpeas, sweet potatoes, regular potatoes, onion, garlic, good spices. It's gonna be so good, and I'll probably have 2 servings. And for dessert, almost every night I have 4 Medjool dates, Nature's Candy, so good. And my herbal tea. I usually do 2 tea bags. I do 1 of this peaceful tea along with 1 of this. It's also kind of relaxing and also great for digestion. So great winning finishing combo here. Oh, this is a good one. All right, you guys, that's it. We are rounding out this video the day after we officially made the move up to Sarasota. Dusty has already kind of organized the house for us to make the transition as smooth and streamlined as possible for me and the kiddos. I am forever grateful and indebted to him for all of his hard work getting us up here, and I'm so excited to continue to let you guys in on our lives, what's happening, and help you transform your own life to eat, move, rest your best. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and click that bell to turn on the notification. Join the Eat, Move, Rest fam, and be sure to check the description below. If you want the stepping stones to truly transform your life, join the Eat, Move, Rest app and membership to get access to our recipes, meal plans, fitness programs, incredible community, mini challenges, and so much more. Last but not least, if you're ready to 10x your results and expedite the process, get in on the Eat, Move, Rest Mastermind. People are already seeing incredible transformations, weight loss, disease reversal. There's lots of good stuff. We cannot wait to continue helping you guys eat, move, rest your best. I'll see you in next week's video. Bye.